This video will demonstrate how to properly cut the DS200 machine tapes on election night. This will make completing the statement of results easier and will help the Office of Elections staff to complete the post-election canvass. Here are the materials you will need to have ready. DS200 machine tape that prints during the opening procedures. Configuration report. Ballot status accounting report. Zero totals report. Make sure that 2 officers have signed at the bottom of the zero totals report. DS200 machine tape that prints during the closing procedures. Ballot status accounting report. 3 voting results report copies. And write-in report if available. No write-ins during primaries. A pen or pencil, a pair of scissors, a stapler, SOR original and copy, yellow printed return sheet. Step 1. Review the opening tape. It should include the configuration report, ballot status accounting report, and zero totals report. Make sure that 2 officers have signed the bottom of this tape. Step 2. Attach the uncut tape from the opening to the SOR original. Step 3. Starting from the bottom of the tape that printed at closing, move up the tape, passing the write-in report if present, up to the 3rd voting results report. Circle write-in report and voting results report. Then draw a line right above voting results report to mark where to cut. Step 4. Continue moving up the tape to the 2nd voting results report. Circle voting results report and draw a line right above it. Step 5. The remaining top portion of the tape should include the first copy of the voting results report and ballot status accounting report. Circle voting results report and ballot status accounting report. Step 6. Review the tape for signatures. There should be 2 election officer signatures at the bottom of each section of the closing tape. Step 7. Review the tape to make sure there are no mistakes. Step 8. Cut the tape along the lines you drew. You should end up with 3 pieces. Step 9. Attach the bottom portion of the tape, including the write-in report and 3rd voting results report, to the SOR copy. Step 10. Attach the 2nd voting results report to the yellow printed return sheet. Step 11. Attach the remaining top portion of the tape, including the 1st voting results report and ballot status accounting report, to the SOR original on top of the tape from opening. Step 12. Complete one final review to ensure that 2 signatures are present on each portion of tape and that you have attached each portion to the correct document.